Hey guys, um, unfortunately my 84 FJ Sparkles has had a little issue. It's got both mechanical and electrical issues, so I've decided I'm going to take it off the road. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tear it down, I'm going to pull the motor apart, do a top end rebuild and another fix on the starter clutch, and I'm going to try and video most of that for you. I'll give you a bit of an idea of what's happening here. So we've got the wiring harness here, which has been patched more times than I can remember. You can see, I've got tape here and it's been hacked into and cut. So I've got an electrical issue in there somewhere and I'm sick of trying to fix it. So I have myself another 84 harness, and thankfully it came with the box too. The other issue is the top end. It has been using oil and blowing a little bit of smoke, so I'm going to put new rings and new valve stem seals in it. Try and give the carbs a bit of freshen up again while they're off. The other issue I have is the starter clutch, and the only way to fix that is to pull the motor out, split the cases, because it's actually in there, fair in the middle of the motor. One of the other issues I have is she's developed a little bit of an oil leak, be one of the seals down here, which when I get the bits to do the starter clutch, you get those seals and I'll replace them. The other things with this old girl is when I last repainted it was done in a bit of a hurry because this was my only form of transport at the time. So I'm going to give the paint job another go over. Same colours most likely, except I'll probably do the frame in silver. So what I'll do is I'll give the whole thing a tear down, and I'll try and videotape that. Might do it in time lapse so you can see me pull it apart. And yeah, so we'll go from there. So this will be Sparkles version 3.0. But yeah, I've poured more money than Sensal into this bike. What's a bit more? Anyway, we'll see you soon. I can't do any of the tear down until after I get the new bathroom built in my shed. So once that's done, I'll do the tear down. Stay tuned, hit like and subscribe. Thanks.